From complexity to simplicity, we have made maths easy. Welcome to Philemathics series. Subscribe now and let's make mathematics an exciting journey together.
Here's the sixth problem of NECO 2025 and it's on arithmetic progression. It says the first term of an AP is 36 and the fourth term is 6. Find the common difference. We recall that the n term of an AP is a plus n minus 1 d. We are given that the first term is 36 and the fourth term is 6. Fourth term means T4 simply means a plus 4 minus 1, 3d. We're already told that the fourth term is 6. This is 6. Now, we are given that the first term is 36. So we substitute a as 36 because a stands for first term and d stands for the common difference which we are looking for. So 36 plus 3d equals 6. Subtract 36 from both sides. 3d equals 6 minus 36. 3d will give us minus 30. Then we divide both sides by 3 to find what d is. So that at the end of the day, d will be minus 10, and which is B. Thank you for watching.